To remove and install the battery on your RZR XP, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure it is in park and remove the key. Next, pull up on the driver's seat latch strap and pivot forward and upward to remove the seat from the vehicle. If working on a 4-seat vehicle, remove the driver's side rear passenger seat. Next, loosen the negative battery cable fastener first to prevent arcing and set the cable aside. Continue by sliding the red boot back from the positive cable. Then loosen the positive cable fastener and set the cable aside. Then remove the bracket fastener. Next, pivot the bracket up and around the floor trim. Then slide the bar towards the console and pivot up to remove. Continue by lifting the battery straight up to remove. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris or damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Next, clean any dirt or debris from the battery box. Also, inspect the padding in the battery box and replace if necessary. Then install the battery by lowering straight down into the battery holder. Next, slide the end of the battery bracket under the battery handle and pivot around the floor trim. Then install the bracket fastener and torque to specification. Next, reconnect the positive cable first to prevent arcing and torque to specification. Then reposition the positive cable boot over the terminal. Then reposition the negative cable and connect to the terminal. Torque the clamp to specification. Then verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Before continuing, coat both terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Next, reinstall the seat by aligning the front tabs under the retainer bar and pressing down in the rear to engage the latch. Finally, turn the key on to verify the battery has been connected properly. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.